The bus carrying the Humboldt Broncos junior hockey team collided with a semi-truck around 5 p.m. Friday in Western Canada. 28 people were on board the bus, including the driver. 14 people were killed. 14 others were injured. 3 are in critical condition. The Canadian junior hockey team included players ages 16 to 20. The Humboldt Broncos team was on their way to a Game 5 semifinals playoff game. The collision taking place on Highway 35 in Saskatchewan, Canada. They were en route to the town of Nipawin. Parents of the players are gathering at a church in that town. At this hour, we are still waiting on the identities of the victims. The Broncos represent a small, close-knit city called Humboldt, which has a population of about 6,000. This photo was tweeted by the father of Broncos player Derek Patter. Patter is seen lying alongside his 2 teammates, Derek Grayson and Nick Bonding, in hospital beds. The father tweeted that they are waiting to hear who didn't make it. The team president also tweeting, quote, "Our thoughts and prayers are extended to the families of our staff and athletes, as well as to all who have been impacted by this horrible tragedy. Our Broncos family is in shock as we try to come to grips with our incredible loss." Also, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau tweeting, quote, "I cannot imagine what these parents are going through, and my heart goes out to everyone affected by this terrible tragedy in the Humboldt community and beyond." The sister of the Broncos head coach has also tweeted that her brother, Coach Darcy Hogan, is among the dead. A GoFundMe page has raised about $500,000 so far for the families of the victims. You can donate at gofundme.com/funds for Humboldt Broncos. An unspeakable, terrible tragedy north of the border, Elizabeth.
All right, Bryan Llenas, thank you so much. So sad. Appreciate it.